Hi kids! Welcome to Bahay Aralan. In this video, we will be reading or interpreting bar graphs. But first, let us define bar graph. A bar graph is a chart that plots data using rectangular bars or columns. These rectangular bars can be shown vertically like this or horizontally like this. In this video, we will use vertical rectangular bars. Okay? Now, let us proceed with the reading of bar graphs. Let us take this as an example. This bar graph shows the number of laptops sold by Tecno Store from August to December 2021. As we can see here, the months are in the x-axis. This one, the horizontal line, while the number of laptops sold is in the y-axis, this vertical line here. Okay, for us to know the number of laptops sold each month, we have to look at the height of each rectangular bar because it is equivalent to the number or to the value. That means to say, there were 30 laptops sold last August, 40 laptops in September, 20 in October, 15 laptops last November, since it is in the middle of 10 and 20, the least number of laptops sold, and 50 laptops in December, the most number of laptops sold. As easy as that. Okay, question. How many more laptops were sold in September than in October? What should we do? We have to get the difference between the number of laptops sold in September, which is 40, and in October, which is 20. Alright, so 40 minus 20 is 20. Therefore, there were 20 more laptops sold in September than in October. Another question. How many laptops were sold in November and December? What should we do? We have to add the number of laptops sold in November, which is 15, and December, which is 50. So, 15 plus 50 is 65. There were 65 laptops sold in November and December. Is it understood? Now let us have another bar graph. This graph shows the favorite colors of grade 5 students at a certain school last school year. Now, let us read or interpret this graph through these questions. First one, how many students chose blue as their favorite color? So, let us look at the blue rectangular bar and check its value or the number it represents. It is 8, meaning there were 8 students whose favorite color is blue. Next, how many students voted for orange as their favorite color? Let us look at the orange rectangular bar and check its value. It is 2. This means that there were 2 students who voted for orange as their favorite color. Okay? Another question. How many students chose yellow as their favorite color? The yellow rectangular bar is here, and the number it represents is 5. Why? Because it is in the middle of 4 and 6. So there were 5 students whose favorite color is yellow. How about red? The answer is 10. There were 10 students whose favorite color is red. And the last is green. There were how many students? There were 3 students who voted for green as their favorite color. It is between 2 and 4. Next question. Which color had the most number of votes? So we have to look at once again all the numbers. And among them, the highest value is 10. So, red had the most number of votes. Last question for this bar graph. How many grade 5 students were there in that school? What should we do to answer this question? We should add all the values. 8 plus 10 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2. The answer is 28. So, there were 28 grade 5 students in that school. Okay, let's have one last graph. This graph shows JED scores in their weekly test out of 30 items. Alright, let us answer the following questions to interpret or read this graph. First question. What is JED's score in his math test? Let us look at the rectangular bar that represents math. It is this bar. And then, let us identify its value. It is 30. So, this means to say that JED's score in math is 30. A perfect score. Wow! Next, what is JED's score in history? Here's the rectangular bar representing history. And its value is 15. This means that JED's score in their history test is 15. Next, what is JED's score in language? The bar for language is this. And its value is 20. So, JED's score in their language test is 20. Now, what about reading? Here's the bar that represents reading. Its value is 25. So, JED's score in reading is 25. And the last subject is geography. JED's score in their geography test is 10. Okay, another question. In what subjects did JED get the same score? What should we do? We have to look for the rectangular bars with the same height or value. So we have language and science. JED got 20 in both subjects. Okay, next. In what subject did JED get the highest score? Let us look for the tallest rectangular bar. It is the bar for math. And its value is 30. Last question. In what subject did JED get the lowest score? We have to look for the bar with the least value or the shortest bar. It is the bar representing geography, which is 10. Alright, how was it, kids? I hope you have learned something from this video. That said, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Take care.